Well,
Uh,
let me give you a court case to go with that. I just looked it up while we're on the phone here. Palazzo, I'll spell it Palazzo versus Rhode Island. The citation is 533 US 606, comma 121 S period CT period. That means Supreme Court. It's a 2001 case. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled that municipalities cannot exert any acts of ownership or control over property that is not owned by them. Do you understand that's a sheriff working for a municipality and he can not exert any act of ownership or control? He can't even legally sell your home. Now, he's being told by a judge in the county to go sell the home, sell it on the courthouse steps, hold a sheriff's sale. He can't legally do that, and the judge can't legally tell him to do that. The county can't legally tell him to do that. The county can't record a deed changing the ownership of a property legally. And yet they do all of those things on behalf of the bank. They do it so they won't get sued for patent infringement on the MERS patent. Well, let me tell you another case. Monterey versus Del Monte Dunes. The citation is 526 US 687, 1999. Here, the plaintiff was awarded $8 million for code enforcement's illegal trespass and restriction of his home and business, and he was awarded another 1.45 million for aggregation of forced sale of his property. So even though they sold his property to another, he got the full value of his property back, plus an additional $8 million. So I guess with 9.45 million for a $1.45 million property, you come out okay. I'd
that's a
sell
good.
those all day long.
That's a good deal, David. And that's
So
when we talk about turning losses into wins. Sometimes it's not as direct, and sometimes God doesn't deliver in how we expect it. Like, we expect our house to be absolutely saved, and in this case, the guy lost his house, but he ended up $8 million ahead. So just always remember that if something gets taken away from you, if you're acting in righteousness and you're doing the right thing and you continue to follow up and do the work, there's always remedy. There's always a way that you can overcome. There's always a way that you can triumph no matter the situation.
and you
Um,
never know God's plan. He may have wanted you out of that house because
it's going to burn
right
down.
after the other, yeah, I was just going to say that. Took the words right out of my mouth. Good
we're
minds think alike.
we're all in the same mindset here, and we get it,
Right.
brother.